What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your iPad or your iPhone as a secondary monitor on your Mac computer. Open your internet browser and go to this website, and I'll put link in the description below. And we need to download XDisplay Agent for Mac. Just click on it and then click Allow. Once the download is complete, you can click on Show Downloads, and right here, just double click on Splash Wired DMG file, and then double click on this package file. And then in here, just press on Continue, and then click on Install. In here, you'll have to type your password if you have one set up. If you don't, just click on Install Software, and then click on Continue Installation. Once the installation is complete, we need to restart our system. So just click on Restart. Once your system reboots, click on Go and then go to Applications. And in Applications, just double click on Splashtop XDisplay. And now on your iPad, open your App Store, and in the App Store, type XDisplay, and then we'll have to download this one, XDisplay. Just click on it and download it. Once the download is complete, now plug in your iPad into your Mac computer, and on your iPad, start XDisplay program. And wait until it's gonna connect. And in here, you can maximize the display. And now you can see I can use my iPad as extended display, and I can drag stuff over and use it as a secondary monitor. And this is pretty much it. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.